Now, as you can see, look, we got the new tab straps on there. Now, you don't glue the whole tab strap down. So you leave this nice and loose. So you're kind of pulling just like a strap, all right? So what's great about this, it slides on super easy. So what we're doing is we're eliminating dive. Okay, get your shoe on here. So I like my K-Power to go the same direction of the panel. I don't like to put tension this way, lay it down, add some tension, boom, just like that. Okay, now you can see your tab here, it's not on the panel, right? So you're not getting that push back into the panel, that collateral damage.
That's genius.
Now think if you're on like a Tesla liftgate, you know, it's got that radius.
Yep.
What's beautiful about this is we can pull this up to be able to attach our shoes if we have a radius in the panel. So that makes it awesome as well. Because before we were struggling, right?
Yeah.
Now this is another really cool tool. These are the K-Power attachments, so we can essentially turn this into a quarter power. So we got a quarter panel, the step edge is drove in. All I'm gonna do, foot back behind the panel, just like you would a quarter power. Grab my adapter here, get in position. Now we can push the edge, so if you watch, you know, make sure we're nicely in the center. Okay, right there, the edge. We can easily, cleanly push that edge back to where it needs to be. That's another great feature with the K-Power.
Nice.
Okay, modularity is key with the tools, guys. Goes in the back, so you can see here. Push extremely hard. Okay, now cold glue or grab you another tab, relieve some tension here, get everything back to its structural position, and move along, right?
Absolutely.
There you go.
And then what type of bit goes into those?
That's an impact
Oh, okay. Perfect,
driver.
all right.
Standard impact driver.
Sweet, I got one of them.
Yep. What's really cool, and I've done this before, I've had a door that was slightly sagging. So what I did is I put the door edge right here, and I even raised the door up like this right here. Okay, so a lot of cool ways. Think outside the box. Okay, these tools are your sandbox. Be creative with it.
Wow. Okay? Very nice.
Very good. Lateral tension, K-Power attachments. I mean, what else are we gonna think of?
Right?
It's pretty amazing.
Wow.
So this will pivot out of your way. So if I had crowns up here, I can pivot the beam to the top, add tension, do my knockdown work, maybe come down to the bottom, do crown work up here. Whichever way you
all
need
out
it.
of the way.
So we're just putting that natural tension back into the panel. So you got to think at a factory, it's compressed or stretched on and then compressed. Whenever you get a dent, that's reversed. Okay? Now it's stretched and compressed. So we're just putting that natural tension right back into the panel.
Killer, dude.
It's good stuff. Okay, I'll take credit cards, cash. What you got?
You take yen?
Yeah, that's right. So, really good.
Awesome, Danny. I appreciate
Yeah,
the extra live demo. So
Yeah, definitely.
I'll switch. Oh, that's right. I can't switch it on an iPhone. But anyways, bud.
Yep.
Thanks again, man.
Yep.
Appreciate
Yeah.
it.